What is the very first thing you do when you open your eyes in the morning? For years, my answer was the number one habit that was making my menopause fatigue and brain fog so much worse. And it's a habit so common that most of us don't even realize the damage it's causing. The mistake is checking your phone the moment you wake up. I used to do it without thinking. I'd turn off my alarm and immediately start scrolling through emails, news headlines, and social media. I thought I was catching up, but what I was really doing was giving myself a kind of digital whiplash. My brain went from a state of rest to a state of high alert in seconds. And here's something especially important if you are a woman over 50. During menopause, our bodies already deal with hormonal fluctuations that affect sleep, stress levels, and energy. Many women tell me they wake up already feeling tense or anxious. When the very first thing you do is grab your phone, you are pouring fuel on that fire. Instead of starting gently, you are spiking stress right at the moment your body is most vulnerable. Imagine this. You open your eyes, and within seconds, you read an upsetting headline, a stressful email from work, or a post on social media that makes you feel inadequate. Before you even get out of bed, your mind is already spinning. That is not a peaceful way to begin a day. It's like letting other people's chaos step right into your bedroom. When we do this, we instantly flood our system with cortisol, the stress hormone. We are telling our nervous system that the very first priority of the day is to react to other people's emergencies and anxieties. We start our day in a state of defense instead of a state of calm. It's like starting a race in a full sprint. You are guaranteed to burn out. And here's the science. Your body naturally produces a cortisol awakening response in the first 30 to 45 minutes after waking up. This natural rise is designed to give you energy. But if you add extra stress on top of it, like scrolling your phone, you're doubling that stress response. Over time, this leads to more brain fog, poor memory, and difficulty focusing. It's no wonder so many women feel completely drained by mid-morning. But I replaced that damaging habit with a simple 3-step routine that completely changed the course of my day. And it only takes 10 minutes. Here is what I do instead. First, I hydrate. Before coffee, before anything else, I drink a large glass of water, sometimes with a squeeze of lemon. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body and brain are dehydrated. Giving it water first is like putting oil in an engine before you turn it on. It's the kindest first step you can take. Second, I breathe. I don't do a complicated meditation. I just sit on the edge of my bed, close my eyes, and take 10 slow, deep breaths. This simple act activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural rest and relax mode. It tells your body that you are safe. It's a powerful antidote to morning anxiety. Third, I move. Again, nothing intense. Just a gentle 5-minute stretch on the floor. I reach for the ceiling, touch my toes, and gently twist from side to side. This gets oxygen flowing to the brain and releases gentle endorphins, which are your body's natural feel-good chemicals. It's a simple way to wake up my body and thank it for carrying me through life. And if you struggle with joint pain or mobility, you can adapt this step. A slow walk around your home, light arm stretches, or even gentle seated movements can have the same refreshing effect. The point is to honor your body, not punish it. Hydrate, breathe, move. That's it. This simple sequence ensures that the first 10 minutes of my day belong to me, not to the world's chaos. It might feel like you're losing 10 minutes, but I promise, you gain that time back through improved focus and calmer energy all day long. When you begin your mornings with intention instead of distraction, you are not just changing your morning, you are changing the entire tone of your day. You are stepping into your power instead of reacting to everything around you. Building a morning routine that actually works and that you can stick with is the foundation of the 90-Day Clarity Planner. It's designed to help you build these small, consistent habits that lead to lasting mental clarity. If you're ready to stop guessing and start building a life with more focus, the link to the complete planner is waiting for you in the description below. Also, you can get my free guide, 8 Objects in Your Home That Are Causing You Headaches and Brain Fog. It walks you through the simple steps to create a calmer home environment. And if you're struggling with mental clutter, don't forget to watch my video on the 5-minute brain dump. It's the perfect companion to this morning routine. Try this tomorrow morning. Notice the difference it makes. Be well, and I'll see you in the next video.